Want to fuel your Steam gaming addiction using your Google Play balance? Let's see if we can make it happen. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device and tap the search bar at the top. Type Steam gift card into the search bar. Now, look for apps that sell Steam gift cards. Be careful and choose one from a reputable developer with good reviews. Pay close attention to the description to ensure it actually offers Steam gift cards. Read the app description thoroughly. Look for mentions of potential fees, purchase limitations, or anything else that might be important. Within the app, select the amount of the Steam gift card you want to purchase. Then, proceed to checkout. You'll be presented with Google Play's purchase confirmation window. It should show your Google Play balance as the payment method. Confirm the purchase. After successful payment, the app will display your Steam gift card code. Follow the instructions provided to redeem the code on your Steam account. Usually, this involves logging into Steam, going to your account details, and selecting the option to redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Enter the code and enjoy your new Steam funds.